easier, your girl easier. So let's greet ourselves with a happy new year because we are staying in new year, and my comes to my look, I'm saying new year. So today I want to make a beautiful pet fascinator. Can you see it on my head? Because I have a lot of people send message to me that you would love me to ask about the measurements, everything about it. So I'm gonna do DIY on this. Can you see? So this is so beautiful. Before we get started, what you have to do is what you can even make this with Ankara. When you're using your Ankara, make sure you're using hard Ankara to make it. So before we get started, my measurement for this coloring base is 30 inches. That is the smallest measurement that you can use. You can use 30 inches. You can use 1.5, can use 2.5, just depend on your choice. So guys, let's go there and let's DIY this. Let's make this. Okay. end of the tutorial, so I hope you guys love it, and it's very easy to make. Wow, it's so lovely to make. And so guys, let's meet next on my next video, and don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. See you guys in my next video. This is beautiful. I'm going out, so I'm going to rock it out. Yes, I'm rocking it, and I know you guys can't wait to rock it out. Yes, so